are you doing?
I'm trying to make my camcorder because this is not working properly,
Okay.
and I've given this to Pravesika Pradhan uh, when she was doing mass comm and journalism in Darjeeling College. That time she tampered with this screen.
That was not my fault.
So, her father had bought this for her so that she can use it for mass communication and journalism, and that was in the year 2010. Now I am repairing after many years, and today is 2020 March 7th. So I have tried many cable connection, HDMI connections, charger, and
What are you watching?
and, and this iSony cable, and this there are many different uh, connectors, but it's not working in my Mac computer, since there is uh, no areas to inject or the put the cables, but it's here in this Asus computer.
What?
But this, though this HDMI is going in, but nothing is no functions is been showing on the screen so far. So I'm a bit messed up right now, trying to solve all the issues, and I tried to open this camcorder in order to make camcorder screen. I tried to open this not with this. I tried with this. I tried with this. I tried with this scissor, and even I used the uh, my wife's pedicure instrument and the blade, but it did not work. And also I tried to use this tool, and this is the screwdriver, but it also did not work. This was actually the tools for geyser, and the point I'm trying to tell is use the appropriate tools for specific requirements.